Hello viewers, this is Fida Hussain. Right now we are in Concordia, one of the most favorite destination of the tourists who want to come to visit in Gilgit-Baltistan to see the beautiful mountains our existing here, which maybe the mountains above than 8,000 meters or below than 8,000 meters. Right now, if you see around there, it seems that looks like a festival here. Many tents, countless tents are fixing here. So one of the tourists from Honduras, this country exists in North America. So we will talk to her about her journey and her expectations, what she heard about Pakistan and what was a reality was existing here. So thank you very much, Miss, for your time. And what's your name?
My name is Ilanoy Pineda.
Illinois. First of all, tell me about your experience while you are reaching here at Concordia.
Well, very excited to reach my goal. My goal was to see K2. I'm fascinated about the mountain, and I wanted to came here and reach. Also, we are trying to cross Gigila. We have to see tomorrow how it's going, and that was my main goal.
So while you were reaching here, what was the main hurdles or main problem remain for you?
Well, even we want to control everything. I've been a little bit sick from my stomach, so it has been a little bit hard because the trek is not so easy. I knew it before I came here. I have been training since 6 months ago, but it's hard. It's hard.
6 months you again training. So where in your country?
Yeah, in my country. We have a few mountains, not taller than here, but I have trained there.
Which kind of training did you get?
I do some swimming, some cardio, and trekking in mountains, just going up, up, up.
So would you? Is this your first visit in Pakistan?
In Pakistan, yes, it's my first
So,
time.
what you heard about Pakistan and what was the reality you found here?
Well, when I first tell some friends to come, the first thing they told me it was not a country for a girl, and I was like, well, I will try. I didn't see any bad things, so I will try to go. Yeah.
Did you feel any problems or any harassment, any kind of problem you faced here?
No, I didn't find anything. I feel very warm and very protect for all the team, all the trekking team that we have been in the trek. So I feel very safe, very comfortable, and very supportable.
So, what kind of facility do you need while you, if you we talk especially from Ascoli to here?
No, I knew already how would the trek will be, so I have prepared psychological, so I don't have anything that I didn't count it. So everything is what I expected.
Most of the tourists are saying that they are complaining for not being enough toilets in the way and dustbin here. So, do you agree with that point?
No, I knew about there's no toilet here. Even so, we have in some points we have toilets, but it was not so important at least for me. It was not important. I knew about that. It was me. It surprised me to have toilets in some of the place. So I was um, uh, very know that no toilet here. So this was not a problem for me.
Okay, so if we talk about those problems, pre-traveling problems, we will talk. So, what kind of problem you faced before traveled here in terms of getting visa?
Yeah, in terms of getting visa, it take like 3 months, I think, for me, because they say they have a lot of application from Afghanistan people, and also you, as you say, there's a lot of trekkers. You have like this year a lot of people who visit, so it was very difficult to get easy visa.
So, how what is possible?
No, I did it via email, um and I get it in 3 months.
Okay, so it's mean everything went smoothly.
I think for my country, because we don't have a consulate in our country, it was easy to do it that way. Because we don't have a consulate in my country, so
Pakistan consulate doesn't exist in your
no, no,
country.
no, no, no.
Ah.
The closest one is in Mexico. So for me, it was very easy because I could do it but by email. So I didn't have to move to Mexico to get a visa.
So there is no direct relation Pakistan with your country.
I think yes, because we were allowed to do it via email. So I think yeah, we don't
Okay.
have any problem.
Okay, you mean that there must be a consulate in your country?
No, because we are a very few people in our country. We are just 9 million, so I don't think it's very important to have one. The closest one is in Mexico. So if we have something special to do, we came or we contact them.
So, if we talk about the global warming, so this is a big challenge considered in the world. So, do you feel any sign of the global warming in here in, while you visiting in glacier here?
Oh yes, we can see that glacier are going down. Uh, and it's a problem because sometimes we cannot see if there's a lot of rain, so we have seen problems that some bridge is not there, so it complicates the trek, and that is due because of the climate change, and now we cannot predict when it's going to be warm, when it's going to be cold. Is nothing that we can provide or expect, because the climate change is not like the every season is like it used to be.
So, in your mind, what will be the solution, the most favorable solution for this?
Well, I think if every people do what they have to do, like for example, we can see in the trek that we supposed to be people who came to the mountain supposed to be care of the nature, that we can see a lot of garbage in all the trek. So I think I'm just thinking, so what's happened with the people if they don't can either if they can take her garbage by themselves, what can we expect?
So, I think $150 you have to pay for the Central Karakoram National Park. So, do you think the Central Karakoram National Park is doing according to that money, or the money is going to use for that purpose accordingly?
Well, what I think is perhaps in every camp, the camp are very established. So if they put a little bit more of
Dustbins.
yeah, bins to collect the garbage, and that could be something that they can do to improve the environment.
So while you are traveling from Skadru to Ascoli, you might seen that some bridge had broken in the
Yes.
way.
Yes.
So what is this for you? You were mentally prepared for that, or you?
No, I wasn't. I wasn't prepared. Yes, as you say, I trek in Nepal, and I was prepared to cross that bridge. But when I came here, and I was like, do I have to to go up in this small box of wood and cross the bridge. I was so scared. Yes, I was so scared.
So, how many countries you have visited before Pakistan?
Last year I have done the EBC trek, so this time I wanted to visit the second highest mountain, so that's why I'm here.
Okay, what was the difference there and here?
This trek is more difficult.
More difficult.
Yeah, oh
How?
yes. 6, 7 times more difficult. Yes. Also in conditions, I don't know, perhaps, but what we can say also is in Nepal it has been more commercialized. So here it's nature. So the marketing perhaps didn't came here. It's like the mountain's names. It's a savage trek, like the mountain, savage mountain.
Oh, Savage Mountain. Okay. So, last, what kind of any you have message to convey who wants to travel here in Pakistan, if especially in the glacier to see K2?
Well, I have also been in Islamabad, and I was very surprised of the beauty of the city. It's I was telling some of my friends before came here, if there's a prize of green city, I should give it to Islamabad. It's a beautiful green and flower with a lot of flowers. So and here. The mountains are beautiful, and you see like it's on an unreal landscape. So I invite all the people, but to come here, you have to train. It's not like that you just say I will go. No, you have to put a little bit of discipline and to get here.
Okay, thank you very much. We are excitingly waiting for your feedback on her opinions about the traveling and about her experience. And we, for that purpose, we also request you to subscribe our channel. So thank you very much. This is Fida Hussain again from Concordia.